Hello everyone, my name is Jerry and I'm the Mini ITX product manager at DFI. Today, I would like to take this opportunity to give you an insight into artificial intelligence and bring out DFI's finest solution with graphic computing power. Today's central process units have 4, 8, or even 16 cores, while the graphic processing unit GPU consists of hundreds of much smaller cores. The CPU and GPU work together to process the data they find in the application. Using GPUs to perform calculations traditionally processed by CPUs can improve the performance of various computationally intensive workloads, such as image processing, computational acceleration, or artificial intelligence deep learning. So, how does they work together? The GPU enhances the performance of the application on the CPU by offloading some time-consuming and computationally intensive part of the code, while the rest of the application still runs on the CPU. For users, this means that the application runs faster and smoother because it uses the massively parallel processing power of the GPU to improve performance. This is called hybrid computing. In addition to the difference in number of the cores, the CPU is used to perform general tasks, and the GPU is used to perform massively parallel operation, where the CPU is usually used in the common device we use today, such as a smartphone, laptops, kiosk, or gaming consoles. The GPU can be used to quickly calculate the square root of all value in the memory area. This makes them faster in large-scale parallel work related to the graphic, such as 3D rendering in games, medical imaging, or digital coin mining. Moreover, the CPU contains cores which has been designed for sequential serial processing, but the GPU's parallel architecture contains smaller but more efficient and powerful cores that can handle multiple tasks easily in parallel without any issues. As a result, GPU accelerated computing performs sequential calculation in the CPU, while the GPU computes highly complicated calculation in parallel. However, CPU and GPUs are equally important in their own ways, and they are both needed to make the data processing as fast as possible. On the next, let's talk about the artificial intelligence at the edge. Why is edge AI so important? Because of the improvement of the accuracy of edge AI and the reduction of human error through automation, AI edge computing can help various industries to improve safety and efficiency. For example, transportation, autonomous driving, education, healthcare, agriculture, industrial production, and retail shopping are all use the potential of AI edge computing to improve our daily lives. As edge systems demand higher responsiveness and accuracy, the combination of CPU and GPU is becoming mainstream to provide the best efficiency performance per watt and dollar. Adding GPU to edge system can be complicated because meeting key edge system requirements such as low system latency, long product availability, and product efficiency is not easy. A common thing in edge application example is the need to quick move external data from sensors and other sources to the GPU for processing. Also, the combination of artificial intelligence and edge computing, such as real-time image analysis, handles huge data computing loads and needs to maintain a stable speed and quality. It also relies on industrial-grade server motherboards that can provide high performance. However, it is not always the answer to have the finest and high-priced systems. Sometimes As long as a typical CPU is paired with a GPU acceleration chip, it has a better performance to power ratio. Here is a practical application in artificial intelligence: video image detection. The video image detection application of face and object recognition is a widely used technology in artificial intelligence applications, which can be adapted to almost every industry. This technology allows artificial intelligence to capture the unique points of objects through deep learning. Facial recognition is one of the hottest technology trends today, ranging from security critical to retail payment system. However, like other IoT applications, facial recognition generates a lot of data, which may cause performance degradation due to network congestion. With the assistance of expanded 5G network, the concept of deploying facial recognition in the retail environment has become a reality. This technology can be used to provide consumers with an interactive experience in store. Simply scan their faces to pay, which is foreseen as a smart retail. With the increasing speed and accuracy of industrial processes, automatic visual inspection with machine vision as the standard technology has replaced traditional manual inspection methods. In addition, developers use artificial intelligence technology to improve the accuracy of automatic visual inspection, the speed of switching inspected products, and automatic defect classification, making more applicable and wider. Use intelligent image analysis system to satisfy assist personnel control, access control, and performance tracking can be easily integrated into existing department or company systems. The smart image can immediately detect and send alarm to inform the control area of intrusion, suspicious people on the blacklist. When a worker steps into a dangerous area, the alarm will sound immediately and the manager will be notified. The face recognition systems ensure that visitors, contractors, and suppliers can enter the designated area within a specific time. Using cross-camera face recognition and license plate recognition search can locate suspicious people, criminals, and speeding vehicles. When the intelligence image analysis technology is installed at intersections, which can detect whether vehicles and pedestrians violate regulation, such as speeding, driving in the wrong direction, driving in the wrong lane, or crossing the road. The most popular edge AI application in recent time is undoubtedly in epidemic prevention work. In terms of the access control system, people entering company or public place are not required to wear masks. It is no small challenge for the existing system to be able to confirm and identify the identity. The identification system not only needs to detect whether a person is wearing a mask, but also whether he or she is wearing a mask correctly. Not only that, in addition to the face recognition under a mask, the access control system also needs to integrate temperature detection to prevent people with fever from entering the indoor space. A further approach is to install face recognition plus temperature detection equipment in various areas of building to monitor people passing by. Once a person with an abnormal body temperature is found, the management staff will be alerted immediately to take appropriate measures. In addition to access control systems, face recognition has more innovative applications in epidemic prevention applications, such as identifying the floor where the entrants go to work in elevators and automatically stop to achieve zero-touch elevator control. It can also integrate face recognition with the entry and exit system of public transportation such as MRT and bus to replace tickets. After knowing what AI can do for us, next, let me briefly introduce the MXM solutions. The MXM graphic cards are removable graphic cards that are designed for small form factor PCs. Below, you can see the MXM 3.0 Type A and Type B graphic cards. Herewith is the length of the MXM connector, which is 82 mm in the MXM 3.0 cards. Some MXM 3.0 cards PCB can be both wider and longer, but the connector length will be only 82 mm. The main advantage of the MXM card is that you can easily upgrade your computer graphic card to a higher one for playing latest games or for running professional graphic applications. Also, if your MXM video card has gone bad, then it can be easily replaced without any soldering or go through too much trouble. The P2000 features advanced NVIDIA Quadro GPU with NVIDIA Pascal architecture technology in MXM 3.1 Type A form factor, which has 768 NVIDIA CUDA cores and a peak single precision floating point performance of 2.3 teraflops. The P2000 also has 4 GB of GDDR5 memory and supports NVIDIA GPU Direct RDMA, which helps increase data throughput by up to 80% and consequently system responsiveness by up to 60%. Additionally, 4 UHD display outputs and extended operating temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius are supported. The embedded graphic card is suitable for mission-critical harsh environment edge computing application with size, weight, power, and network connectivity constraints. The RTX 3000 modules features advanced NVIDIA Trillion GPU technology in MXM 3.1 Type B form factor. Its compact, slim, and reliable design, which is also suitable for mission-critical environment. RTX 3000 supports 4DP 1.4B displays, offering a flexible and easy solution for medical and gaming applications. At the last section, I will focus on the combination of GPU computing power with the Intel Coffee Lake and talk about the product specs by comparing with the previous generation and its powerful features. So, let me introduce DFI's AI accelerating computing solution with the MXM power, CS181. First, a little recall on the Intel Coffee Lake. The Coffee Lake is the manufacturing code name given to all of the Intel 8th and 9th generation processors. This includes their most recognizable core brand, as well as their entry-level Pentium and Celeron processors. Coffee Lake CPU all use 14 nanometers manufacturing process. This refers to the size of processor individual transistors. The smaller they are, the more that you can cram onto a single piece of silicon, resulting in better performance than chips with larger. The most important thing about the Coffee Lake, however, isn't the number of the transistors it has, it's the number of cores that come with each CPU. Whereas previous Core i3 processor only ever had 2 cores at their disposal. Coffee Lake Core i3 CPU now come with 4. Intel Core i5 and Core i7 branches also got a boost, going from 4 cores to 6 which is fantastic for IoTG roadmap. Comparing to the previous 6th and 7th generation CPUs, Coffee Lake is more powerful and efficient with up to 8 cores, which increase additional performance around 26% and also reduce the power consumption around 52%. DFI CS181 is an industrial mini ITX motherboard for applications requiring very high levels of computing in a limited space, tailored to infuse deep learning into smart edge computing. Running on the solid computing base of 8th, 9th generation Intel Core processors, CS181 further accelerates graphic processing for AI vision and machine learning for edge devices to transfer and receive the analyzed data in order to timely respond to the dynamic at the edge. And it also supports 5G solution, providing a broadband high traffic capacity. Due to deep learning requires a huge amount of image and data input to achieve smart automation and optimization, and the support for 5G networking endorses CS181 a pair of wings to connect with massive devices and process immediate data transmission and analysis. The multi-gigabyte speeds and ultra-low latency of 5G strengthen the synergy of the device and makes communication among a large scale of devices seamlessly and efficiently to respond real-time to the dynamic at the edge. An extraordinary feature about the CS181 is that it supports all kinds of embedded MXM modules, condense the footprint from traditional huge GPU cost to 1/3 of it. The MXM module supported by CS181 provides the same level of processing capability with scalable performance up to 200 watts, which is able to use the powerful graphic computing ability through CUDA cores to overcome a large number of parallel vision data in AI vision computing applications. On the other hand, using embedded Quadro series MXM modules can bring workstation-level processing performance. The new fantastic visual performance graphic engine enhances video acceleration with 4K UHD outputs, providing users a better video quality and media experience. For defending equipment from external threat of security awareness, DFI's motherboards are available with the advanced feature of IAMT 12.0 for remote management and system repairing. Aside from IAMT 12.0, CS181 also supports TPM 2.0 for protecting confidential data and improving system integration. In addition, to gear up to facilitate the AI trend in industries, CS181 has selected an upgrade key expansion and I/O interface for various applications. The improved reading and writing speed supported by 2 DDR4 SOD up to 64 GB, the diverse storage of SATA 3.0 and M.2 E-key, B-key, which especially supports Intel Optane technology for optimizing the reading speed about 10 times faster than hard disk. Wireless connection like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi through M.2 E-key, 5G through M.2 B-key, and the rich I/O options such as 2 COM port, 4 USB 3.1 Gen 2, and 2 USB 2.0. Moreover, with 4 high-speed LAN ports, users are able to manage the networking in complex environment. Together, it maximizes the flexibility in usage and realizes the edge AI. We are here to hear your voice. Please give us your feedback by scanning the QR code and complete the survey. You will have a chance to win one of an iTunes Apple Card. Here at the end, I list the specification of CS181 for your reference. Please don't hesitate to visit our website for more product detail. Thank you for spending your time with us today, and we appreciate all your support. This is Jerry from DFI, and we will see you next time.